Nandi ne yankompoya ndajogera ulilongwe man of God 90 fuso ndi certificate kumaso diploma koma ndalembera ntchito zambiri ma interview ndendapita ambiri mpiri koma palibe chimene chile kusinthika then mafuna kundifunsifu.
Iri ndi kola.
This is a claw.
Kola la mbuzi.
For the goats.
Iri ndi kola.
This is a claw.
Kola la nkuku.
For the chickens. Another house.
However, mavuto anu aenoyo.
You are problem because you're not staying right from the blood of your generation. You are way to your wealthy riches. It's not kind of job that you're sticking to. It's in agriculture and farming. When you concentrate on farming, you will be a people well to do.
Don't look for white collar job. Please keep pigs, keep chickens. You focus on rearing poultry farming. Yes, you do very good.
Man of God,
come here to confirm.
I
called back my parents. I'm a child, I didn't know. Inscripted here, it's true. Chickens, but they stopped doing that. All these things are true.